Listen to that sizzle. Your favorite samosa hits hot oil, crisps up, and tastes perfect. But here's the question we never ask. What happens to that oil after the frying is done? Too often, it's poured straight into a drain. It looks harmless, but it cools, thickens, clogs pipes, pollutes water, and sometimes even sneaks back into the food chain. In India, that's a real problem. But that dirty oil is getting a second life. This is the UCO mission. UCO means used cooking oil, and RUCO means repurpose used cooking oil. The idea is simple. Instead of dumping waste oil, we collect it from homes, restaurants, and street vendors and turn it into biodiesel. Think of it as a kitchen-to-highway recycling loop. Here's how it works. The dark, used oil is picked up by authorized collection trucks and taken to a biodiesel plant. First, it's cleaned and filtered to remove crumbs and water. Then comes a smart chemical swap. Using simple reactions, the oil's fat molecules are reshaped so they behave like diesel fuel. No fancy science words needed. The result is a clear, honey-colored biodiesel that engines can actually use. That fuel doesn't sit on a shelf. It's blended with regular diesel and sent straight into the real world. City buses, long-haul trucks, heavy transport that runs all day. Biodiesel burns cleaner, cuts harmful smoke, and reduces how much expensive crude oil India has to import. And this only works if people join in. Across India, collection points are popping up in markets and neighborhoods, often with QR codes for traceability. Instead of pouring oil down the sink, you store it, hand it over, and keep it out of drains and food. Waste oil isn't waste anymore. It's energy. That's the logic of UCO. For more sustainable tech in 2 minutes, subscribe to EcoLogic and join the conversation. Let's make sense of the logic behind the eco.